Hear us out. You're about to go on vacation or you're about to go somewhere with your friends, and the first place you look for is a short-term rental because, well, you don't have enough money to afford a long-term place, and it's easier that way. It's a simpler process. But when we're booking Airbnbs and other short-term rentals, we never think about how we affect the surrounding community.
So you may be asking yourselves, how does Airbnb actually affect rentals? So landlords figured out they can make more money renting from Airbnb than renting to someone who actually needs it for the whole year. So now that landlords do this, there's a short supply of actual rental apartments, which jacks up the prices for everyone else. Controversy surrounding Airbnb. One, hosts use it to make large parties, which promotes underage drinking, drugs, violence, rape, and even death in some cases. In some cases, Airbnb has been used as locations for filming of adult films.
So now that we know the damages that we bring every single time we book a short-term rental, next time when we're about to go on vacation or go on a trip with friends, we should think twice about booking that stay.